Welcome students. In last period before Diwali holidays, we have seen binary subtraction. We have started the binary arithmetics. We have seen binary addition, binary subtraction. Last two articles are there. There is binary multiplication and division. And after that, this chapter will be finished. So today we will see binary multiplication. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication. How to perform the binary multiplication? Now, our traditional method of decimal multiplication. How it is? Say decimal multiplication. 23 multiplied by 7. So this is the example of decimal multiplication. So we multiply this, 7 3s are 21. So carries to 7 3s are 14. 14 plus 2. Now this is our method of decimal. Now we are going to see binary. In binary multiplication, suppose 1 1 0 multiplied by 1 1. So before we see the result, outcome or answer, let us discuss. In binary number system, there are only two digits, that is 0 and 1. And the binary 1 and 0s are equivalent to decimal 1 and 0s also. That's why 1 multiplied by 0 in decimal it yields 0. Similarly, 1 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 1 multiplied by 1, we know that in decimal 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Similarly, 1 multiplied by 1. It means that how the traditional method of decimal multiplication is, if we perform binary multiplication by same way, then there is no problem. Again, 1 multiplied by 0, that is 0. 1 1. We know that we perform like this. So 0 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 1 0 carry 1, 1 1 0 carry 1. Now see, let us verify how it is in decimal. 6. How it is in decimal? 3. So this answer should be 6 3 is 18. Let us verify. 1 2 4 8 16. And this 8 is going to cancel, 4 is going to cancel, 1 is going to cancel, 16 plus 2 that is 18. 16 18. So same way, binary multiplication we are going to perform just like a decimal. Same way we have adopted, same pattern, same method, technique we have adopted. Why? Because we have seen the table of binary and decimal. So in binary there is a 0 equal to 0, 1 equal to 1. But there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 which are not available in binary. But binary 0, decimal 0 are equivalent, 1, 1 is equivalent. Then why don't this method, why can't we say this method is wrong? Actually this is the right method. We can do this. But binary multiplication is performed by us just on the ground of technique of decimal number system. Here in this example, binary multiplication we have done on the same ground of technique of decimal. But actually computer do not perform by this method. Then how computer perform? How computer perform the binary multiplication? This one is the example that we can do this binary multiplication. But how the computer perform the binary multiplication? Binary multiplication is performed by successive addition method. By successive addition method. Binary multiplication is performed by successive addition method, but not by us, by computer. By computer. So binary multiplication is performed by successive addition method, but by computer. Don't forget this. We are naturally talented. We can perform this. Successive addition method by computer, not by us. Now you can ask the question, why binary multiplication is not performed just like decimal multiplication? Why this another method, that is successive addition method, is performed by computer? You may ask the question, why computer uses successive addition method, and what exactly mean by successive addition method? So you can answer. What is mean by successive addition? What is mean by successive addition? Question. So let us see what exactly by successive addition. We know that in binary arithmetics, addition is the basic operation. Addition is basic operation. Number one. Subtraction is also done by addition method, but complement addition method. Subtraction. How it is done? By complement addition. Complement addition method. Addition is basic operation in binary. Subtraction is done by complement addition. It means subtraction is also basically addition, but complement addition. Similarly, multiplication is also addition, but successive addition. Once again, we will revise how computer perform the binary multiplication. Computer do not perform binary multiplication by our method. Computer perform the binary multiplication by successive addition method. And why? Because in binary arithmetics, or as far as computer system is concerned, addition is basic operation and remaining all operations are based on additions. Like subtraction, that is also based on addition, but complement addition. Similarly, multiplication is also done by successive addition. Multiplication by successive addition. Successive addition. Now question arises, what is by successive addition? For that, we are going to see the example. Just we have seen one example a binary multiplication where we have seen 1110 multiplied by 110 multiplied by 11. This we had done by our traditional method, but now we are going to perform by successive addition. It means that in 0 0 0 add 1 1 1. Instead of we can say multiplicand, and this is called as multiplier. So add the multiplicand in 0 or once result will be 1 1 1. Add the multiplicand plus again 1 1 1. Second time 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1. Add again 1 1 1. Now look this answer 0 1 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1 1 1 0 carries 1. This is the answer. How many times we have done it? First time. This is second time, and this one is for third time. So multiplicand is added in 0 first, then multiplicand is added for second time, third time. It means that add the multiplicand in 0. Then again add the multiplicand. But how many times add the multiplicand? Let us see. Once again, what was our example? 1 1 0 plus 1 1. What is meant by successive addition? Let us look at it. What is meant by successive addition? Add the multiplicand in 0. Multiplicand is added. Answer is same. Then again add the multiplicand 1 1 0 0 0 0 carry 1 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1. Again add. Now answer 0 0 0 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1. Look, this is the answer. 1 2 4 8 16. 8 is going to cancel. 6 3 18. Okay. Let us see this example once again. How many times we are going to perform it? 1 1 0 multiplied by 1 1. 3 times we have to add. In 0 0 0 add 1 1 0 0 1 1 plus once again 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 carry 1 0. You see how many times? 0. But for this time 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1, that is same answer. Again it is added 0 0 0 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 1 sum is 1 carries 1 1 1 0 is there. Once again add this 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 carry 1 1 1 0 carry 1. Now look this is 6, this is 3. So successive addition. Add the multiplier in 0. This. Add. Then again add the multiplier this time. How long? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Till the multiplier. It will add 6 in 3. Add 6 3 times. Successive addition. Once again, we are going to see this example. Now, one more example we are going to see. 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 3 into 3. 9 should be there. Add the multiplier in 0 first time. Answer is 1. Again add till the time of multiplier. Multiplier is 3 times. 1, 1. So 1, 1, 0, carry 1. Sum is 1, carry is 1. Now add again 3 times. 1, 1, 1, 0, carry 1, 0. Look, this is 3, 3, and this is the 9. 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is the binary multiplication. So how the binary multiplication is performed? Binary multiplication is performed by successive addition method. And what is successive addition method? Add the multiplier in 0. Again add the multiplier. So 3 is added 3 times. Why? Because computer is a successive addition method. So this is successive. Now we are going to see binary division. Binary division. Binary division. Binary division. Binary division is also performed by division. Division. Binary division is performed by successive subtraction method. So division. Division by successive subtraction. Successive subtraction. By now successive subtraction. How it is to perform? Let us see the example on the same ground of decimal number system. How it is? 6 by 2. 6 3s are 6, product is 6, remainder is 0. So quotient is 0, quotient is 3, remainder is 0. Dividend. Dividend, divisor. Now let us see in binary. Six divided minus 2, 4 is there. 4 minus 2, 2 is there. 2 minus 2, remainder is 0. So subtract the divisor from the dividend. What is successive subtraction? What is successive subtraction? Subtract the divisor from the dividend. Subtract the divisor from the dividend. Answer is 4. Again subtract the divisor from the answer. Subtract the divisor from answer. So when it becomes 0 or result of subtraction is less than divisor, then stop. How many times we have done it? First, second, and this is third. So this is called as quotient and this one is called as remainder. Till, until result of subtraction is less than divisor. So once again we will see the example. 18 by 3 or 17 by 3, suppose. 15. So quotient is 5, remainder is 2. Dividend, divisor. Now let us see successive subtraction. This was the traditional. Let us see subtraction. 17 minus 3, remainder is, result is 14. Minus 3, 11. Minus 3, 8. Minus 3, 5. Minus 3, 2. So result of subtraction is less than divisor. Divisor is 3. Result of subtraction is 2. How many times? First, second, third, fourth, or fifth. 5 times. So 5 is quotient, remainder is 2. So on this, by same way we are going to perform the binary division. So binary division is performed by successive subtraction method by computer. What is successive subtraction method? We have seen subtract the divisor from the dividend until the result of subtraction become less than divisor or 0. So how many times we have done the subtraction? That is quotient. And what is the last result of subtraction? That is the remainder. So this was the method. And here the chapter finishes. In next second chapter we are going to see that is a program analysis. So today you might have studied, you might have got what is meant by multiplication, binary multiplication and division. Thank you.